Hey guys, it's Adele here reporting to you from 7AGstars. So the theme today, well for this week, is 10 facts about me. And the challenge is to say them under a minute. 60 seconds. The bang. 60 seconds on the clock. Okay, let's go. 1. I love music. 2. I have 9 sisters. 3. I'm wearing some crazy socks right now. I'm standing on my head right now. 4. I'm actually a mermaid. 5. I like the number 5. 6. I also like the number 6. 7. My middle name is Noelle. 8. I'm French. 9. Je m'appelle Adele. And 10. I like squirrels. Again, super boring video, but I'm sorry about that. And there's a trash truck coming. So that's basically it for this week.
I'm Adele Blue and I approve this video.